Hi guys, I have a new project coming up, which is a little bit different what I used to build. During the years I gathered a lot of EDFs for the F-35 and Harrier projects, and there are now left over, and I want to do something fun with it. An EDF is an electroductic fan. So, what happened if we attach 3 of those onto, yes, a barbecue. So this is what we're going to do in this video. We're going to try to make a flying barbecue. I know it's completely pointless, but it is fun. Also, if you are not subscribed to our channel, click subscribe. And if you're interested in this build video and other projects, you probably like my other builds. So hit that subscribe and like button. So the two front motors are already installed. It looks pretty awesome. It's also strong. As you can see, I want to do a tricopter setup. This barbecue has 4 legs, so I have to attach some kind of rod between these 2 legs, so I can attach these. So I think this will be the front side and this will be the back side, and I can do also some jaw control. Looks pretty awesome. Now then, all mechanical stuff are done. Now it's time to add some electronics. Okay, time to test if the motors are turning the correct way. We're going to use a simple servo tester and a battery. So let's test something by one. Iets minder P. Wow. Oh my god guys, it works. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Unfortunately we cannot go outside during this lockdown, but I just made a flying barbecue. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week, and we're going to continue with the F25 project. Okay, bye bye.